In this video, I'm going to give you an overview of the Prosperity Marketing System Owner add-on. Now, the Owner add-on allows you to change both the primary and the autoresponder features within the members back area. It costs a one-time fee of $97, but once you've paid that, that is it. You're in complete control of this system as an owner yourself, so you can do what you like to do with it, and you can customize it to your own devices. Now, what the Owner's add-on program does, it allows you to actually go in and create training and edit any page within the system that is already done, so you can put your own speak onto it as you were and write it the way that you would want to write it. And it also allows you to create training as well. And if I show you how that's done, you just simply click on the create training, and that will then bring you up with a page which will give you this. As you can see, I've already added two trainings into my system, one about banner advertising and the other one which is avoiding SOS. SOS in internet speak is shiny object syndrome, and if you are a victim of shiny object syndrome, then I strongly recommend that you create a tour taker account with Prosperity Marketing System, which you'll find the link to it beneath this, and read that because it's very good. Anyway, what you can then do is you can actually change, you can write any training that you want based on your own experience, and then if you wish to, you can then change the page displays that you have within the page order if you want to. And what I mean by that is that you can go into your income builders, and you can go to any of the list builders or the traffic exchanges. So let me show you the list builders how it works. First of all, you click on this, and I've got these arranged in the order that I want to have them for ease of use for myself, really. And what you would then do, if you want to change the order around, you simply will put your cursor there, and it shows you that will take you to downline max. But if you move it across here, you can actually move it up or down to change it around, or to move the page to wherever you want to put it. So that's how you can change the order of the pages within the marketing system, so they actually work in a logical, sequential order for how you want your tour takers and your students to go and have a look at it. So that's how you would change that inside of it. And you can also change the primary business, which I have done with mine. Initially it was for leads to add space, but I've changed my program out, and I've actually put now Leads Leap into it, because Leads Leap is by far a better option to have. So that's how you change the order around with the Owner add-on with Prosperity Marketing System. Thanks very much indeed for watching, and if you want to get more uploads for this videos, click the bell icon beneath this, and feel free to leave a comment. Constructive criticism and constructive comment is always welcome. Thanks very much indeed for watching.